To make a frog, inflate a green balloon leaving a margin of about 4 inches. Make first a small round bubble, followed by another round bubble a little bit larger. Then, make a third bubble which should be exactly the same size as the second one, the one you just did. And finally, make another fourth bubble which should be exactly the same size as the very first bubble of the series. Lock twist these 4 bubbles together and pass the knot on the other side for extra safety. This is the shape you should have. Now, let's make a loop. You should be able to have a couple fingers pass through. Enlarge the opening of the loop with the help of a finger from each hand. And with those 2 fingers still enlarging the loop, place each one of your thumb behind the 2 big bubbles of the series. And push those 2 big bubbles gently through the loop. But only the big bubbles. The 2 smaller bubbles should stay behind, like that. Now, let's make a small pinch twist. Then we'll make 2 bubbles of about 2 inches each. And lock twist them together. Those will be the front legs of our frog. Make a bubble for the tummy, which should be about the same size as the front legs. Now, fold the last segment in 2 with the last part a little bit longer than the other one. This will help you to know how long your hind legs need to be. So form your bubble for the first hind leg at that fold, followed by a second long bubble of exactly the same length. And all you should have left is a tiny little bubble to block everything together. Lock twist the 2 hind legs together, enlarge the opening between the 2 hind legs so that you can slide the 2 front legs right in between. Just like that. Let's now draw on it. We'll start with the eyes. As large as possible. Then a beautiful smile. Now, if you're a little bit unsure with drawing, I would advise you to really practice on paper before committing your drawing on the balloon. Then 2 little holes for the nose. And that's it. This is how you make a cute little balloon frog.